actinomycosis. It is caused by Actinomyces israeli. It is an anaerobic gram-positive fungal-like bacterium, which is a branching filamentous organism. It is called as ray fungus because of sun ray appearance. Clinical types. XX faciocervical. It is the most common type. Infection spreads either from tonsil or from adjacent infected tooth. Initially an induration develops. Nodules form with involvement of skin of face and neck. It softens and bursts through the skin as sinuses which discharge pus which contains sulfur granules, 60%. XX thorax. Lungs and pleura get infected by direct spread from pharynx or by aspiration. Empyema develops. Later chest wall nodules appear leading to sinuses with discharge, 20%. XX in right iliac fossa. It presents as a mass abdomen with discharging sinus. XX liver is infected through portal vein, honeycomb liver. XX pelvic. Pelvic actinomycosis can occur due to intrauterine devices. Organism enters through deeper plane of the tissue, causes subacute inflammation with induration and nodule formation. Eventually discharging sinus forms at the surface. Pus collected in a swab or sterile tube will show sulfur granules. Features. 3/4. Discharging sinus with induration and nodules. No lymph nodal involvement. Through blood spread it may cause pneumonia and endanger life. Pus under microscopy shows branching filaments. Gram staining shows gram-positive mycelia in center with gram-negative radiating peripheral filaments. These clubs are due to host reaction which are lipoid material, antigen-antibody complex. 3/4. Cultured in brain heart and fusion agar and tuberculate media. Differential diagnosis. Chronic pyogenic osteomyelitis, carcinomas at the site, tuberculous disease. Treatment 3/4. Penicillins for longer period, 6 to 12 weeks. 3/4 tetracyclines, lincomycin, streptomycin. 3/4 dapsone and iodides may be useful. 3/4. Antifungals are often given because it is fungal-like bacterium. Surgical debridement is occasionally required. 3/4 Welsh regimen, injection amikacin 15 mg per kilogram IV daily for 21 days. Such cycle is repeated 3 times at a gap of 15 days, along with tablet trimethoprim, 7 mg per kilogram, sulfamethoxazole, 35 mg per kilogram, daily for 6 months. Madura foot, mycetoma pedis. It is a chronic granulomatous condition of the foot involving subcutaneous and often deeper tissues causing multiple discharging sinuses. It was first identified in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India, by Gill, 1842, Madura mycosis. It is common in India and Africa. It is common in Tamil Nadu. It can be fungal, more common, or bacterial origin. 3/4. Bacterial can be Actinomyces or Nocardia. Among bacterial Nocardia Madurae is most common. 3/4. Bacterial mycetomas are by Actinomyces, A. israeli or A. bovis, or by Nocardia or Actinomadura, red granules. Occasionally it can be due to pyogenic bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, Botryomycosis. Bacterial mycetoma shows white, yellow, red granules which on smear delineates thin filaments, 1 micrometer. Nocardia asteroids can primarily involve lungs later spreading to brain, kidney and other organs as metastatic infection. 3/4. Fungal eumycotic mycetoma is caused by Madurella mycetomi or Madurella grissa. Fungal mycetoma causes black granules, crushed smear of which shows thick stout filaments, 5 micrometers. Organisms. Nocardia madurae, most common, Nocardia brasiliensis, Nocardia asteroids, Actinomyces israeli. Pathogenesis. Organism enters through a prick in the foot usually who walks barefoot down pointing arrow. reaches deeper plane in the foot down pointing arrow. Evokes chronic granulomatous inflammation down pointing arrow. Causes pale, painless, firm nodule down pointing arrow. Formation of vesicles down pointing arrow. Burst to form a discharging sinuses. Discharging granules may be black, red, yellow. In black type of Madura foot, infection is mainly subcutaneous. In red and yellow types, it burrows into the deeper plane including bone causing bone necrosis, osteomyelitis. Eventually gross swelling of the limb with multiple discharging sinuses with disability will occur. Muscles and bones are involved. Tendons and nerves are spared until very late. Regional lymph nodes are not involved. Condition will deteriorate by secondary bacterial infection. Note: if infection occurs in hand, it is called as Madura hand. Mycetoma XX. It is a chronic, granulomatous, progressive inflammatory condition involving subcutaneous tissue, skin and deeper tissues. XX. It may be bacterial, actinomycetoma, or fungal, eumycetoma. XX. Painless subcutaneous tissue, multiple sinuses and seropurulent discharges, triad of mycetoma. XX causes deformity, disability, destruction. XX. 70% occurs in foot, 12% in hands. XX. Local hyperhidrosis due to sympathetic overactivity can occur. XX. Tiny, shorty regional lymph nodes can get enlarged due to secondary infection or as localized immune response. XX. Osteomyelitis, Kaposi's sarcoma, carcinoma are the differential diagnoses. XX. Dot in circle sign in MRI is characteristic. XX. FNAC in biopsy is very useful to confirm XX. Immunoelectrophoresis in ELISA are having diagnostic value. Features: painless diffuse swelling in the foot of long duration. Later multiple discharging sinuses develop on the skin. Lymph node involvement will not occur unless secondary bacterial infection is present. Significant limb disability is common. Common in males. 20% develop pain due to secondary infection or bone involvement. Differential diagnosis: chronic osteomyelitis, tuberculous osteomyelitis, carcinoma, Kaposi's sarcoma. Investigations: discharge study will show branching filamentous appearance of the organism. Culture in Subarauds dextrose agar medium. Gram stain for actinomycosis will show sun ray appearance with gram plus way center and gram way clubs. X-ray of the foot is done to look for osteomyelitis. FNAC in biopsy is confirmative as eumycetoma or actinomycetoma. Ultrasound of area, MRI are useful. Dot in circle sign in MRI is characteristic. Immunoelectrophoresis in ELISA are having diagnostic value showing antibody titer against causative organism. Madura foot. Note the multiple sinuses. Mycetoma thigh and foot in two different patients. Note the discharging sinuses. Treatment: medical. In actinomycetoma, amikacin or streptomycin, cotrimoxazole combined therapy is the first line of treatment, 5 weeks therapy. Long-term penicillins are useful. Amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, rifampicin, sulfonamides, gentamicin and kanamycin are second line of drug treatment. In eumycetoma, ketoconazole, itraconazole, voriconazole are the drugs used for long-term up to 1 year. Dapsone and iodides are often used for long-term. Surgical: wide surgical excision should be done after initial proper medical line of treatment. Improper excision will cause recurrence. Recurrence rate is up to 50%. After wide excision, drug therapy has to be continued. Amputation is needed in severe refractory cases as a life-saving option. Amputation rate is 10 to 25%.